What does he do?
Yeah, de nuevo.
Hi, who's your best friend?
My best friend is Lucas.
Where does he live?
He lives in Miraflores, Lima.
What does he do every day?
Will he wakes up at 6 a.m., goes for a run, and then studies at the university. In the afternoon, he works part-time at bookstore.
That's cool. What doesn't he do as part of his routine?
He doesn't watch TV. He says it's boring.
And was your best friend? Ah, no,
Her name is Camila. ¿Qué más?
Where does she live?
She lives in San Miguel.
What does she do every day?
She usually works at 7:30 de la mañana. Takes her dog for a walk and then works at hospital because she's nurse.
Interesting. What doesn't she do?
She does social media. She prefers to read or cook instead.
Nice. It was great talking to you.
Thank you. See you.